Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Trick. Little quick video. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I started thinking when that other video was loading that the stars are equally spaced apart, but they're not equally spaced apart between the edges. And if you look, I've just measured it's 2.97, but it's 4.04 between the two stars. And by doing that, I just took the parallel dimension tool and went from that node to that node, and I get 4.04. So there is a way to do that, and you could do it on the whole, everything, the way we did. If you didn't watch part one, you might be a little confused. But if we take a 2-point line, doesn't have to be very big, we're going to make it black just so we can see it better. And we're going to snap it to this wall of our flag. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and have it snap to there. Now, instead of having just 6 stars, you've got 8 objects now, and if we select all the objects, and you can see down here 8 objects selected, and if we use, I don't know which one we're going to use to distribute, that isn't it, we're going to use this one. And what it did, it put equally spaces. Now there's 16 spaces of blank, well, I don't know, at least whatever spaces, because there's not a space here, but now we're perfectly aligned in every direction. Let me zoom in here and get the parallel dimension tool, and hopefully my theory is right. We go from that node to that node. We have 3.373. Look at that. So now your stars are equally spaced off the edge. So you could do it both directions, and then use your blend like we did earlier once you've got this set. And then the following, like we did on the other one, would be the same. It's going to change it up a little bit, and just depending on your preference. This is the way we did it with the blend, so the stars are a little bit different than they are on this flying, where we've got them spaced out a little bit better by using align and distribute. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.